Hey guys, today let's check out a beautiful box set. This is Mahabharata. This is a special issue by Amma Chitrakatha. This box set is of hardback books. On front of the box there is a beautiful illustration of the battlefield of Mahabharata in Kurukshetra. So here is a beautiful illustration of Krishna teaching to Arjuna in his chariot. The illustration is very beautiful. And this box set is quite sturdy, so it's not wearable easily. And this box set contains 3 books or 3 volumes, you can tell. The first one is Mahabharata, the Kuru Princess. The second is Mahabharata, Pandavas in Exile. And the third is Mahabharata on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. These are a beautiful hardback books, and on behind the box set there is some notes about these books. Mahabharata is one of the classics from India, and all Amma Chitrakatha books are comics or illustrated. So these becomes illustrated classics from India. So this box set regarding, they have given some notes here. So this Amma Chitrakatha, the entire Mahabharata is being told in a 3-volume special edition. So these books cost around 2,499 rupees. I got it for around good deal of 1,600 on Amazon. When there was a sales, good deals for these books, you can see to it and get it if you want. So it's a beautiful box of brown color, sturdy box. Let's check the books inside. The 3 amazing books. So the first book, Mahabharata, the Kuru Princess. So this is a beautiful book, hardcover book. The book is very sturdy. There won't be wear and tear of this book, kept for a longer period. So the front of the book has beautiful illustration of the Kuru Princess training with Dronacharya. So it's a beautiful illustrated front cover. And behind there is the small notes about the first book, the Kuru Princess. And one more thing you have to note down is these books cannot be bought separately. You have to buy them in a box set itself. Now let's check inside. This cover has a beautiful picture of the battlefield between Kauravas and Pandavas. Looks like a film. So it's a very beautifully illustrated. The battlefield is Kurukshetra. So it's a beautiful illustrated. So let's check inside. Yes, the first book they have given contents as titles. So there are 14 titles in the books. These 14 titles, I think they are available separately as paperbacks. I think someone asked me that whether to buy the 73 collection, that is mythology collection released from Amma Chitrakatha, or buy these hard books. So I think these 14 titles separately is available there as a paperback. See, the 14 titles are, the first is Vedavyasa, Bhishma's Vow, the Advent of the Kuru Princess, the Pandavas at Hastinapura, Enter Drona, Enter Karna, the Conspiracy, the Escape, the Birth of Ghatotkacha, the Pandavas at Ekachakrapura, Enter Draupadi, Draupadi's Swayamvara, the Pandavas recall to Hastinapura, Arjuna's 12-year exile. So these 14 titles comes under Mahabharata. In other words, these books are the combined volumes. So these 14 titles have been combined and made it a single book. So it's better to buy this book. Instead, if you buy the paperbacks and if you miss 1 or 2, I think it will be very hard to search. So this is better, and because these are hardback books. It can be kept for longer period, so you can study it over the time. So this is the good thing about the special issues released by Mahabharata. On inside, the books are beautifully illustrated as usual. The words are very much good, legible, and easy to understand language. These books help for your children get interested in our Indian mythology and pictures with pictures. It also helps for them to increase their learning, reading habits. It's beautiful illustrated, good language, legible writings. So these are beautiful. It's like a traditional Amma Chitra Katha illustrated books. Even Ramayana is also available as a special issue. If you subscribe to my channel and check it, you can see to that Ramayana also comes as a special issue, but there the designs are quite different compared to this one. There's a new type of designs and the pages are glossy, but here is a normal paper as usual of the Amma Chitra Katha, which usually it releases. So it's a beautiful box. If you want to know the entire story, this is the book. I think here is the birth of Ghatotkacha, son of Bhima. So all the story, good details has been given in these books. One more specialty of these books is it comes with a ribbon marker. The ribbons are red color and there's a paper tag here, small paper tag with beautiful illustration. This is the illustration of Arjuna here, and this is Sanskrit writing here with the meaning here. So it's a good paper marker with ribbon marker attached. Even if it's getted, ribbon will be there. So good paper mark. But this is a specialty of these books. So good to have these books. So it's a good books. I think here is a story of Draupadi getting married to all 5 brothers. I think the first story ends with the Arjuna's exile. So until that, this is there. So the back has similar design to the front of the battlefield of Kurukshetra in a film form. So this is the first book, the Kuru Princess. Coming to the second book, Mahabharata, Pandavas in Exile. It has a beautiful illustration on the front, that is the court. Here is Dhritarashtra and 2 parties, Kauravas and Pandavas, playing the game where Pandavas lose and goes into exile. So this is the story about that Mahabharata, Pandavas in Exile. It's a beautifully illustrated. It's a similar book, hardcover book, sturdy hardcover book. And behind there's some notes about these book. And let's check inside. Inside it's also the same picture like the first book. And here also it has 14 titles. So that makes 28. The 14 titles in the Pandavas in Exile book are A Hall for Yudhishthira, The Pandavas Conquer the World, Yudhishthira's Rajasuya Yajna, Indraprastha Lost, The Pandavas in the Forest, Arjuna's Quest for Weapons, Arjuna in Indraloka, The Reunion, Duryodhana Humbled, The 12th Year, Pandavas at Virata's Palace, Panic in the Kaurava Camp, Sanjaya's Mission, and Duryodhana Refuses to Yield. So these are the titles which comes in in this book, the second book. So the pictures, illustration, writing all similar to the other books with the 14 titles. This book is the main, just like they're losing in the game of pagoda and then getting exiled. Then after the exilement, they have to return and claim back their territories. But Duryodhana refuses to give it back. So they decided to wage the war, which is the most important. That is the war of Kurukshetra. So this is the prelude to the wars. Why happened, how happened. So this is what it shows, that why the battle of Kurukshetra happens. This is a beautiful designed book, all been given entire details. We have grown up with Amar Chitrakatha books and we want our children to keep its legacy. So these are the books to go with, to learn about more about Indian mythology. And Mahabharata is a book where if you keep reading, you want to read until you finish this. The story is so captivating, even with all the eons of writing. And here is the ribbon marker where they have given Krishna's picture and same slogans behind with its meaning. The same red ribbon marker. So it's a beautiful book. We've even given a family tree here, which makes it a beautiful addition. And the same picture of the battlefield here. So this is the second book, the Pandavas in Exile. Coming to the last book in this box set is the Mahabharata on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. This is a beautifully illustrated book. On the front cover, there is the divine forms of Krishna as Vishnu and the three Devas, Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwar or Shiva, and the other angels or lords, you can tell, Devtas. And here Krishna riding the chariot for Arjun. So that's the one depicted in this book. It's a beautiful design book similar to other books. And the back similar to it. There's some notes about this book on the battlefields of Kurukshetra. And inside makes the similar design like other books, the Battle of Kurukshetra. And this book also contains another 14 titles, which is the compilation of these 14 titles. The first one is Krishna's Peace Mission, The War Begins, Bhishma in Command, The Fall of Bhishma, Drona's Vow, The Slaying of Abhimanyu, Arjuna Fulfills His Vow, The Battle at Midnight, Karna in Command, The Kurus Routed, After the War, Yudhishthira's Coronation, The Ashwamedha Yajna, The Celestial Reunion. So these are the 14 titles which completes this Mahabharata. So this book also has similar design, beautiful illustrations, good writing. This is the completion of the entire Mahabharata, the complete war and even the aftermath of the war. And Gandhari's curse to the Krishna for his death, that also is there in this book. So how Krishna dies also is in this book. So that's the completion of the entire Mahabharata is available. And I think there is one more special book, that is ACK special issue, that is Bhagavat, the Krishna Avatar, which is also comes under hardback book. If you check my channel, I think you can see to it, where Krishna's Leelas and all, it's been given in that book. So it's a beautiful book, but there the death of Krishna has not been given, but it has been given here. So this is like the entirety, both Bhagavat and your Mahabharat to complete it. And here also there is a beautiful ribbon marker, red color, and similar to the front design, it is there with the lords in the divine forms. So similar to the back. So there is the English of the Sanskrit literature, English version. So this is the beautiful ribbon marker with paper tag. So this is what a good aftermath after the war, all these happening. And Gandhari cursing Krishna, all comes it. This is Yudhishthira's or Dharmaraja's coronation, and later the Ashwamedha Yajna. Ashwamedha Yajna is like to conquer all other places they do. So it's a complete version of Mahabharata written in this. Here is the death of Krishna they have given by a huntsman, also given. Later their union in celestial forms, all reuniting after their death. So there is history of Mahabharata on the back side, and some of the meaning behind what is Guru, significance of Guru Purnima and all they have given. And here some introduction to Krishna at the final end page. Similar design to the back cover. So this completes the complete collection of Mahabharata box set. It's a beautiful box set. So this is it, guys. See you next time with more amazing books.